How exactly can we go about buying or selling these unique Telegram gifts? As you can see, once you successfully enter this specific marketplace section, which I will show you exactly how to access in just a brief moment, this entire interface and all available options will become fully visible and accessible to you. So, the very first thing you should do after opening the Telegram application on your mobile device and navigating directly to the main settings menu is to access this specific configuration area and carefully choose the Send Gift feature from the list provided. Now, if your goal is to send a gift to your friends, you select one of your friends here. Or if you want to buy it for yourself, you select your own profile from the top section. So if you want to buy collections that can be bought and sold, you select this section where you can see the prices. As you can see, we need to have Telegram stars. My balance is 25 stars. To increase your balance, there are two options, either through a bank card or with crypto. For the bank card option, you proceed with this button, select the amount you want, and pay using your bank cards. If you are looking to pay using cryptocurrency, you can easily use Toncoin and navigate directly to the specific link of the website, which I will make sure to pin for you right at the top of the first comment section below. So first you navigate to the website platform and securely link your digital wallet. Once you have entered your wallet interface, carefully select the star section from the menu, then choose the first option available here. After connecting your wallet to the Ton network, enter your ID and the specific amount required here, and then you can successfully complete your purchase. Once your account balance has been successfully topped up, you can then carefully select this specific section, Histag. From here, you are now able to conveniently make your final purchase in two distinct ways, either by using your available stars or by utilizing your Ton coins. Click on the buy option and pay this amount of stars. Now it's up to you which collection you choose. Well, after you've made your purchase, you go to the My Profile section. In this section, you select the gift option, and here you can see the gifts you've bought are added to this part. If you want, you can click on them and then select the sell option here. Now, since I'm not allowed to sell this for another 2 weeks, once the 2 weeks are over, I'll put it up for sale at the going market price.